It's time for the package from China monthly giveaway. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's the end of the month, so this means it's time to give away some awesome stuff to you, because it's the package from China monthly giveaway. For the people new to the channel, a little quick wrap up. In this giveaway, I'm just going to give away something back to you, the Wicked family, the community. It's awesome to have you here, and I was thinking one day I need to give something back. So I was thinking I'm just going to do some random picking with the people active on the channel. Keep in mind, I'm changing the rules, let's say in the upcoming month, because I try to optimize this giveaway. For example, what I just changed in the last video, if you missed it out, you need to leave a comment. If you want to be active in this giveaway, everything is going to be checked from the last giveaway. So in other words, if you're leaving in a comment, and the next month I'm just going to pick somebody out in the comment section. Of course, what I'm going to do is checking how active is this person and of how long is he member of this Wicked family. Very simple, like that. And I'm just picking out some people. In this giveaway, we're going to give away 2 packages from China to 2 trusted viewers. Alright, you're not going to get this one, because I know to need to unpack it and review it, but let's go. Alright people, so to begin with, I just wanted to change one rule. I just sent the winners a random gift. But the personal problem I had with this, and doing this for a couple of months, sometimes I had shipped something out and people are already owning the product. So I think that's a little bit of a bummer. I just want to give you something that you don't own. And it's something very hard to say. So that is the reason I decided to make this, let's say, give you a list of products and you can choose something out. So I know for sure you're getting something you really want. So now I have that out of the way, let's talk about the giveaway. Who are the winners for this month? Alright, so in this month we are going to do 2 winners. I'm just going to pick out 2 people, and the reason why is because they are very active in the comment section. So don't forget to leave comments and just be active. And maybe you win a really cool package from China. Right, the first winner is Jose Santana. You are the first one who win a package from China. And for the second one, it's Invader Truck. Sorry, I just wanted to say it this way. Alright, but you are the 2 winners for this month. Please send me an email. You can find it in the business email or in the contacts of YouTube. You can send me an email and you can come get your present, your package from China. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Wicked family, and like this video and hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. That's it. We have more awesome gaming on the Wicked Gaming channel. Don't miss it out. Also, we're having over there some giveaways going on and awesome gameplay. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Oh man, this song makes me crazy.